Welcome to Las Vegas Modern Kung Fu Channel. This is Shifu JJ. Today radio 这小念头 Wing Chun Kung Fu. The Wing Chun Kung Fu have three type of different forms. The first one 小念头 寻桥标志 The 小念头小 is small, 念 is idea. So 小念头 is the basics of Wing Chun Kung Fu form. It's a great form for beginners to study 小念头. 寻桥 寻 is looking for, 桥 is braids. 寻桥 is looking for braids between your components, either for attack or redirection. Could go attack back. 标志 more focus on your fingers power through your fingers to the far away. Very good for close combat. So the power through your movement to strike your opponent to a far away. Quick talk about what is Weimen, what is Neimen. Weimen is external gate. Neimen is internal gate. In a real application, one side is internal gate, another side is external gate for real combat. Neimen, internal gate is for 摊掌把。外门 external gate is 扶枕拳。小念头 some technique training. So in 小念头 have a lot of attack movement. Also they have a lot defense movement. But in Wing Chun we don't call defense movement. More just redirection and ready for attack back again. So Wing Chun Kung Fu is a very offensive style of Kung Fu. The first move 二字前仰马。二字前马 is not for attack movement, it's more for basics of training to make your weight right center and both toes are inside straight and bend your both knees. And 日字冲拳. So 日字冲拳, 日 in Chinese, right, like this. So your vertical punch, the word of 日 in Chinese writing. 字冲拳 is a natural structure for human to use, punch like vertical. With this technique, your elbow have to stay in straight line like this. So whole body behind, you have much more power with your 日字冲拳. Your elbows standing out and the punch will be got a different direction, not as strong as the straight line. 日字冲拳. The first technique, 日字冲拳. Come back. The second technique, the palm. We have 正推掌. Powers out the whole palm of this you push out, and also we have side palm and lower side palm. So it's kind of shape just like a flower. So you see both hands right here, and you can have side, you have the low, and to put them together as a flower. The number 3 technique is the chop. So 横切掌 and vertical chop. They're very powerful. You use the bone area with here really powerful from top and go down, or you go flat with the chop, 成推掌. The next technique, the 摊手, so your hand, the wrist, and your arm must be one piece, and this is really strong. So if any different shape might be cause an injury, just like you do a punch with a different shape, so this not gonna be really work. So in order to have a strong 摊手, so your body have to have one piece, and you attack. Mostly the 摊手 connect with 圈手. The 圈手means a circle hand. Circle is more to redirect. 圈手, 摊手, 摊手, 圈手. Come back. This movement called 护手. This movement called 护手. 护手 is a protection movement, is on guard position. Mostly they combine with different hand technique to protect yourself. After 护手, you have 扶手. 扶手 is more just like you do 日字冲拳 from the center of the line with your 扶手. You have 日字冲拳, you have 圈手, you have 护手, you have 扶手, and also you have the 拍掌. The 拍 means a slap. Means you got to redirect or to protect you when someone to punch you. 梗手. 梗手 is the power you push down. 狗手 have 梗手. The next technique is 枕手. The 枕手 is not attack movement. It's just for testing out to before start to fight. So the 整手 mean is in Chinese word resting. 整 the resting. After that is the 自手. The 自手 is means a stopping hand. The 标手 is more like a snake hand and straightforward to show the power to strike your opponent. Section 3, the 干手. The 干手 is making space from the top and you go back down to make a space for yourself or redirect and come back with 标手. The next one, a 绑手. 绑手 is a protection movement. In Wing Chun Kung Fu, we have 3 major movements for defense. 整手 and 扶手. 绑手. 绑手 is a redirection or to protect. And you can attack back. So we just introduced you and 3 major techniques in your Wing Chun Kung Fu basic training. So the stances and some attack movement and also have some redirection or defense movements.